These days, you've probably seen videos like this on YouTube. There are about 4 or 5 channels uploading short videos like these, getting millions of views, and their subscribers are growing quickly. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create similar videos in just 5 minutes and how to monetize such channels. So, don't miss any part of this video, or your channel might not get monetized, as there's a trick in it that, if missed, could prevent monetization. So, let's get started. First, we'll need a prompt to generate images. For this, I'll use Chatgpt. I've written a prompt here that will give you prompts for both images in one go. You can find this prompt in my video description and copy it from there. I've sent this prompt, and you can see that Chatgpt has given me 2 prompts. In one, the animals are separate, and in the second, we get a hybrid version. Now, in the second step, we'll generate images. To do this, go to Microsoft Designer, click on Image Creation, and this page will open. Here, paste your description. Before that, select the size of the image. Since we're creating short videos, we'll select this ratio and paste the prompt we generated from Chatgpt. Then, tap on Generate, and in just a few moments, we'll get 4 images. You can see how good these images turned out. You can download any you like by tapping the Save option, and it will download. Now, let's copy the second prompt. Paste it here, select the size again, and tap Generate. We'll get 4 more images in a moment. You can save these too. Change the animal's name in the prompts, and paste it one by one and get 4 to 5 images similarly. Now that we have our images, in the third step, we'll convert these images into a video. Alternatively, you can edit and upload just the images, but I'll still show you how to do it. For this, we'll open an AI website called Vidu Studio. First, sign in. Next, tap on Create Video. Here, tap on the Upload Image option and pick the image from your gallery to convert it into a video. I've selected it. Then, write something in the form, like both are facing each other, or whatever you want to write. Now, tap Create, and in just a few moments, our video will be ready. To enhance the video quality to HD, tap on the Upscale option. 4 more credits will be used. I'll confirm it, and soon, we'll get our video in HD quality. You can see how good and high quality it looks now. Tap on Download to download it. I'll do the same with the second image and add some text in the form as well. Tap Create again, and we'll get our video in a moment. And if you want to make it clearer, tap on Upscale and confirm. We'll get it in HD quality, and I'll download this too. You can make 25 to 30 videos for free, and you get daily free credits. If you want to make more videos, you can log in with different IDs. Usually, you get over 100 credits daily. Now, our videos are ready. The last step is editing the video. For this, I'll use the Capcut app, as it has many free transitions and effects. Open Capcut and tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Select the video generated by AI from your gallery. First, choose the video with separate animals, then add the hybrid video. Now crop it slightly from the top to remove any watermark if needed. Repeat this process with the second video. After that, tap on the text option, then choose Add Text. And write something like lion plus crocodile to label it. Resize the text if needed and position it to stay on screen until the end of the first video. To make the text more dynamic, tap on Animation, select any effect you want and add it. Next, click on the first video and then choose the animation. I'll pick Spin, you can select any of them. Now apply the same effect to all the first separate animal videos. After that, add a transition between the clips. Tap on the transitions. Choose a transition you like and place it between the separate animal and hybrid animal video clips. Now that the video is edited, let's add some music. I will suggest you to use YouTube library music because they are copyright-free music. Drag the music below the videos, adjust its volume, and crop the excessive part. Make any final adjustments, then tap on the Export option at the top. Select the desired quality, like 1080p or 4K, and set the frame rate to 30 FPS. Tap Export, and your video will start downloading. Let's check the final result. And yes, you can quickly grow by uploading videos like these. However, your channel won't be monetized this way. To get monetized, add a bit of your voice in the beginning, like saying lion plus crocodile hybrid or naming the animals in your video. This will make your channel eligible for monetization. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.